What is going on? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe for more garage reviews, right? Check out the merch. This is part of the nightwear. I think it's on the back, on the tags on the back, but this is a part of nightwear. Everything is fine, A2L. If you do what I do, you get it. reliablehvacr.net. Make sure you get your new merch. There's hats, there's arm sleeves, a bunch of stuff. I appreciate everybody who's already bought and made that a really cool thing to offer. So in today's video, I got some more flashlights. Trying to get used to this new camera. So in today's video, I got some flashlights sent out. These are from Wuben, the L3 and the PL01. These are some pretty beefy flashlights, and we'll get into them right now. They have some pretty cool features. All right, so first up is our L3. This is a new addition, and this is the light right here. It is a traditional, bigger flashlight, spotlight. And if you push it all the way down, that's the on and off, and you can get different levels just by slightly tapping on it. You have like an ultra low mode, which is 5 lumens. You got 150, 500. High is around 1500 lumens. And then if you hold it, you got turbo mode, which is 3000 lumens. So you need to hold the button down for that one. You get anywhere from low is 20 hours of use. Turbo, you don't get that much of it. On the high, you get 4 minutes at 1500, and then it drops down to 1100 lumens for 2.5 hours. Medium is 6 hours, and then that moon, which is that super low one, is 120 hours. So this one's really cool. You also have a strobe function. If you double tap, and then the SOS. Now this one also has a removable clip right there. These offer a removable rechargeable battery via USB-C. This one's a 4800 milliamp hour battery. This one, you charge it through the flashlight. So it has this ring right here. If you loosen that, then it reveals the port right there. It's a USB-C port, and then when you're done with it, you just kind of cap it off and close it. Accessories. You do get a lanyard with it. You do get a USB-C charger, and you get some spare O-rings if you need that. So cool traditional flashlight from Wuben. This one's gonna stay here at the house. We always need one around the house, for different things at night. And if you didn't know, they're also the ones that make this Wuben keychain light that I have, the G5, and it has a pivot head. I really enjoy using this one for work, and I have one on my personal keys. So I'll leave a link to this one as well. And I have to make a confession. I misplaced this PL01. It is essentially just a longer pen-shaped flashlight comparable to the features on this L3. This one goes from, it has a moon at 1 lumen, it has a low at 50, medium at 150, and a high at 650 that'll drop down after a minute to 150 lumens. And you get anywhere from an hour on high to 7 hours on low, or 125 hours on that 1 lumen moon feature. So unfortunately, I can't show you this one, guys, but it is the same run through as a L3, just in a different size. So go check out Wuben. I'll leave the links down below. And like, if you've watched my videos, I love, flashlights and the keychain lights, and something like the pen light that I unfortunately misplaced. That goes like in my maintenance bags. So these longer ones, they can stick them in the little screwdriver slots. And it's more of a spotlight, right? When we're doing maintenance, we're kind of inspecting things. So I need to always have a good flashlight on hand. That one also has a removable battery with it. And the thing with this one is when you take out the battery, it has a charging port on it, kind of like some other ones I reviewed recently. And you would actually plug in the USB-C to the battery once you take it out. So they're rechargeable but replaceable. So if it ever starts dying on you, you can replace the battery itself, not the whole flashlight. That's gonna do it, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Like I said, I'll leave links to these. I'll also link my favorite one, the G5, which I keep on my keychain. That is my new EDC light as far as on my keys. I use it for work every day. But yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember to check out the merch and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys.